So today we're going over Spartan Blades, Akribis folding knives. I got two of them. Yeah, I know they're expensive, but I got two of them, okay? And before I unveil them, let's go over the box. Basically, both of them come in a box like this. I think the newer ones have American flag box. Pretty cool. But yeah, so you get something like that. You get all the branding and stuff. You open it up, boom. You're greeted with a warranty card, guaranteed lifetime. They say that it's lifetime by original owner, but from some of the videos I've seen, that wow, Siri turned on. She's always listening. Anyways, say it's lifetime warranty only by original owner, but some of the videos I've seen, they actually say that they will warranty it out even if you're not the original owner, because they have confidence in their product, especially at like the SHOT Show and stuff when they show all their knives. And then of course it comes with this little sticker, nothing too fancy. Okay, so that's what's inside the box, nothing crazy. Okay, you get these suede style little holders, so that way they don't get scratched up. But let's unveil these knives. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek here at the two that I have. Carbon fiber, all black, and the Coyote. Okay, those are the two ones I have. Okay, so let's go over the price tag on these. They're expensive. Buy them used if you can. Okay, $490 plus tax. That's crazy amount for the carbon fiber. The Coyote with the G10 handles or scales, that one's going to run you around that closer to the $400 range, like $420. Okay, so they have meteorite or something like that finish and black, but SVN 35 steel. Okay, carbon fiber scales, a matte black finish. This is a real nice matte black. Got that cut out there, no cut out there. Got the arrow, made in USA sign, some branding there for USA, and then of course our SVN 35. Okay, this is pretty good stuff on a titanium body. And then of course we have the Coyote tan, Coyote brown. This one's a different color blade, so as you can see, they're two different colors, but they're both black. Okay, kind of weird, but I like this one better than this black. Okay, SVN 35, and then it's made in the USA. Of course, I carry these a little bit, so they have some scratches on them. It has the branding Spartan Blades here, Spartan Blades there. I actually took these apart to see what makes them tick. One thing I noticed in this carbon fiber one, for being $490, you'd think it'd be better, but on the flip, I had to loosen up the screw because it would be, when I would open it up, it would be like that, and it would be real tough to open. Okay, so what I think happened is the shims in here, you have some brass shims, okay, to make it fling out really nice. I don't think those were cut properly, or the actual frame right here, the spacer on that backbone, that might not be wide enough. So I loosened it up so that way it would open up nicely. But as you can see, I'm fighting it. Can't cam it out with one hand manipulation, but once it gets to that point, it flies out okay. That's that one. But this one, see, I could do it all by one hand. This one doesn't fly out all crazy either, but that's because I don't play around with them too much. But as you can see, it opens up. It flies open really easily. But yeah, so this one has the G10 scandals, or the G10 scale handles. My bad, muffed that one up. But anyways, yeah, and you have the same backbone rib across the back. Nothing too much to say besides that they're titanium and they're SVN35. The specs on the steel, I mean, if you're a knife guy, you should know what SVN35 is, but I just wanted to do a quick comparison so that way you would see the difference between carbon fiber and the G10 version, as well as the colors. Okay, so that's what they look like. Let's give an overview real quick. I mean, it's kind of hard to see the difference in blade based on my lighting. I don't have crazy lighting. So you can see the shine in this one and the dullness of this one. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this color, black. The only issue with this type of black is if you get oils on it, you could actually see the prints. It's hard to wipe off. But I mean, a $400 knife, I don't think you're going to be using it too much. I think it's more of a beauty queen, at least in my opinion, because I don't feel like wrecking these. Okay, I got junk knives for that. But as you can see, you could also use this little point here as a assisted blade. Even though these aren't assisted blades, you could still get away with that in your town, your hometown. Which one do I like? I prefer this one over this. I like the black, but having your coyote finish here is nice. It's just different, you know. Everyone has black everything, you know, black guns, black knives. It's just everything's black on, you know, your purchase. Carbon fiber, I do not like. It's shiny, it's reflective. Same thing with this blade. It's shiny, it's reflective. And there's no grip to it. Like if it had texture, like little indentations in it, just like this scale, I would probably like it because it would be grippy. But it makes it lightweight. I mean, you could just check the specs yourself if you're into, like, if you want to know about the weights. This is just basically to compare both knives for you to see which one you may prefer based on them side by side and how they look. Okay, if I had to choose one, definitely get this one. Can't go wrong with either, but yeah, I mean, paying that $490 price tag, I'd save $100 and go with this. And that's going to complete my quick overview of these knives. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see other content like this and other things I'll be posting on my YouTube channel, definitely consider subscribing. Until next time, I'll see you all in the next video.